A big win today for Dallas-based AT&T. A fight with the federal government over whether it's legal to merge with Time Warner came to a judge's decision, and the merger can move forward. The call wasn't a big surprise to many, but the implications that could follow may be. Fox 4's Allison Harris joins us now from downtown Dallas with more. Allison.
Natalie, this is a grand slam home run win for AT&T and Time Warner. Not only did a federal judge rule in the company's favor, he also asked that no one appeal his decision. A federal judge ruled Tuesday that Dallas-based AT&T and Time Warner can merge and can do so without restrictions. The Justice Department is defeated in its effort to stop the $85 billion deal.
They had an extremely high hurdle, and I don't think they fully appreciated how high that hurdle was.
Attorney Chad Ruback, who is not involved in the case, anticipated this ruling because it's a vertical merger. Companies in different lines of business, AT&T in telecommunications, Time Warner in media and entertainment.
This is a black eye for the federal government. This is a black eye for the administration. It's a huge, huge win for AT&T and Time Warner.
During a 6-week trial in Washington, D.C., the federal government argued that AT&T's acquisition of Time Warner, which includes HBO, CNN, and Warner Brothers, would result in higher prices and less options for consumers. But many critics wondered if it was a political move. President Trump has been extremely vocal since his campaign about how much he does not like CNN. Either way, AT&T argued prices will not increase, and it's a move the company needs to make to compete with streaming giants like Amazon and Netflix.
Their cable price might go up by 10 cents a month. I wouldn't even notice if my cable price went up by 10 cents a month.
You're going to hear a lot of people saying, oh, this horrible thing's going to happen and that horrible thing is going to happen. The truth is nobody knows what's going to happen. That's a question that
economist Mike Davis says if the merger goes through, he's not worried about prices going up. There's no evidence that that will happen, and companies have to make changes as technology changes.
All of these companies are just trying to figure out how to make it work. We know the industry is going to change, and whether this partnership or this alliance is the way to go, no one really knows for certain.
I also asked economist Mike Davis how this could impact people who work for AT&T here in Dallas. He says there's no way to tell right now. If this merger goes through, it could take years, but he doesn't think it'll be a bad thing for AT&T based in Dallas here. And keep in mind, this could mean that other mergers and acquisitions of this kind could move ahead much more swiftly in the near future. Natalie?
Okay, Allison, live in downtown Dallas tonight.